Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss computer hardware. First of all, what is computer hardware? Computer system consists of hardware and software. The physical components of a computer that we can see, touch and feel are called hardware. Computer hardware consists of input devices, output devices, memory devices, processing devices, communication devices that links these devices for communication between them. Some examples of computer hardware are input output devices, storage devices and central processing unit. First of all, we will discuss input devices. Input devices are used to communicate with computer. They consist of devices that accept data and convert it into machine readable form. These devices are often referred to as peripheral because they are physically separate from the system unit. Some input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone and image scanner. So now we will discuss keyboard. Keyboard is a primary input device for input data to computer. Through voice, input devices may ultimately supersede it. It operates by converting keys pressed by electronic signals in digital form. Keyboard has standard characters key together with numeric keys and special keys. The next is pointing devices. Pointing devices are used to control the movement of cursor to select items on the screen or open computer programs or files. Some commonly used pointing devices are mouse, trackball, joystick, touch screen, light pen, touchpad. Now we will discuss all these devices one by one. First of all, mouse. Mouse is handheld pointing input device that detects multi-dimensional motion relative to a surface. The motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on display screen, which allows a smooth control of the objects on the screen. Mouse originally used a ball rolling on a surface to detect motion, but modern mouse has optical sensors that have no moving parts. In addition to moving a cursor, mouse has one or more buttons to allow operations such as selection, scrolling, dragging. Mouse is an essential part of computer system to run use Windows and other application softwares. The next is trackball. Trackball remains stationary on the surface. This ball at the top is rolled on the fingers. It has buttons that are used to perform operations similarly to those performed by mouse. Next, joystick. Joystick is commonly used for playing computer games. It is fixed on a table and it has stick in the center that can be tailed in any direction. The stick is held by hand and when it is tailed in any direction, the movement is translated into the movement of an object on the screen. Next is touch screen. Touch screen is a computer display screen. It is an input as well as output device. The screen is sensitive to pressure. User interacts with the computer by touching pictures. Instead of using a pointing devices, user can use finger to point directly to the object on the screen. Touch screens generally attached to computer, but they are popular in other devices such as mobile phones, satellite navigators, and personal digital assistants. The next one is light pen. Light pen is like a pen with a photo cells, and it is used to point objects or draw on the screen. It gives more accuracy the pointing with our fingers on the touch screen. This device is usually used in engineering for designing purpose. The next one is touchpad. Touchpad is used to help computers. It is also a pointing device that can sense the movement and position of finger on the pad. They are commonly used as an alternate to computer mouse in a laptop. There are two buttons located above or below to the pad, and their function is same as like mouse. The next one is microphone. Microphone is used to convert the spoken words to digital signals for computer input. It converts audio signals to electrical waves, and these are converted to electronic circuitry in the computer to digital form. The next one is digital camera. Digital camera is used to capture pictures and stores them in digital form. Pictures taken by digital camera and download to the computer for viewing and editing. Digital camera have a LCD for viewing both images and those in the cameras and viewed in the camera's memory. The next one is scanner. Scanner is an optical input device that optically scan printed or handwritten text and image and store them in computer memory in digital form. Scanners are widely used to get drawings, diagrams, photographs into computer system for incorporating into the documents and books which are made up electronically prior to printing. There are different types of scanners: handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, and barcode reader. First of all, handheld scanner. To scan an image, the handheld scanner is dragged over the image to be scanned. The handheld scanner should be moved carefully with uniform speed because uneven scanning rate will be produce disordered image. Handheld scanners are very useful for scanning articles from magazines, newspapers, and books. Flatbed scanners. These types of scanners scan image is placed face down on the glass and covered is lowered over it to exclude light. The camera moves across glass pane, reading the entire area. The next and last one is barcode reader. Barcode reader is also type of scanners which is used to scan barcode. It is also called universal product code. Available on various product. The barcode contains information about product like name of the product, company, manufacturer, date, expiry date. This information is provided to computer for further processing like generating bills, checkouts, shopping, etc. That's all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss output devices.